Hey there, I'm so glad you're here. This is Clara from AcuPro Academy, and as you can see, this is the printed version of AcuPoint Made Easy. I have reformatted the 808 pages PDF into a 200 pages colorful, beautiful book. By popular demand, I have done this because a lot of people wanted a physical book and a printed version. So I wanted to make it affordable for everyone and make it really, really beautiful. So I've tried many versions, and this was the best quality that I could get for all the colors because, of course, this is a very colorful book. This is the opposite of a regular, boring acupuncture book. Obviously, it is so fun to look at, and I'm so pleased with the outcome. As you can see, everything that's in the PDF is in this physical version as well. Just highlighted some points, make them bigger. That's what I like to do. Like, for example, for Ren 4, you could see, right, it makes it a bit more highlighted. So that's what I did. And I'm really happy with the results. So everything is in there that is in the PDF, as I said. The company that ships it ships all over the world. So if you wanted a printed version, go ahead, click the link below and get your copy today.